Hey everyone, my name is Yathat, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and activate email notifications in the Multicollab plugin. So currently I'm using the Multicollab plugin version 3.5 with the VIP plan activated in it. And now in this Multicollab settings section, if we scroll down a bit, we will find the email notification settings, where if we enable this following settings, the super admin of the site will receive email notifications for all the new comments and suggestions added into the post or page. So now in order to receive email notifications, we need to configure an SMTP setup, an SMTP server. So as you click on this following link, you will be redirected to this guide where if you follow the steps, you will be able to set up an SMTP server and you will start receiving email notifications for the Multicollab plugin. So let's do that here. So in order to set up an SMTP server, we need to install and activate the following plugin. So search for the following keyword and you will be getting this following result. So install and activate this following plugin, that is WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms. So now we are installing it, and once the installation is done, so the installation has been done, now we need to activate the plugin. So here we have activated the plugin, and now if we go into the dashboard of the plugin, so this is the plugin dashboard. So here if we scroll down a bit, here we can see different mail servers that we can configure in order to receive email notifications on our site. So here in this tutorial I'll be showing you the steps on how to configure the Gmail SMTP server. So click on this Google option, and now once you click on this, you will get some additional options here where you will be asked to enter your client ID and client secret. So in order to get this details, you need to visit the following link. So before visiting the link, you need to first sign into your Gmail account. So I've already done that. So go to Google and search for the following query here, and you will be getting this following result, and then click on this following link. We'll provide this link in the description. So after you click on this link, you will be redirected to the following page. So here, once you are redirected to this page, you need to create a project, or you can use an existing one. So for this tutorial, we will create a new project. So in order to create a new project, from this particular section, click on this drop down option, and then once this pop-up is open, click on this new project option. So our new project is created now. So we'll not change the project name. Well, you can also choose the organization from this drop down and leave this field as it is, and just click on create. So now our project is created here. So once our project will be created, we'll see an option to select the project here. So as we click on the select project, we are now redirected to the dashboard of our project. And now we need to, once we are redirected to our dashboard, we need to first enable the Gmail API here. So in order to do that, you can click from the sidebar, you need to click on more products, API and services, and then click on this library option. So in the library option, just simply search for the Gmail API. So you get this Gmail API, and now on this page, just simply click on this enable option in order to enable the Gmail API. So once this Gmail API is enabled, you will be redirected to this Gmail API overview page. Now click on this following button here, that is the create credentials. Now once you click on this link, you will be asked a few questions which you need to select in order to create an app that will enable that will help us receive the email notifications. So from select an API, click on this Gmail API option, and then click for this question, just select the user data and then click on next. Now you need to give your app a name, so we'll give this app a name called Multicollab SMTP setup, and under this a user support email, choose the email from the displayed in the drop down, and we can skip this app logo as this is optional, and under this developer contact information, enter the email and just click on save and continue. Under the scopes option, as this scopes option is optional, we do not need to do anything here, and just simply click on save and continue. Now we provided this OAuth client ID section. So in this section, from the application type, click on the web application, and now here will not change the application name, will leave as it is. We can either customize it, but we will leave this application name as it is. And now skip this following authorized JavaScript origins section, and then under this authorized redirect URLs, copy this following authorized redirect URI and then click on this add URI and then paste it here, and then just simply click on create. So now you get your credentials here, but before copying these credentials, we first need to switch our app that has been created here. We need to switch our app to the external mode, that is in production mode. So in order to do that, from this sidebar, click on the OAuth consent screen option. And on this page here, just simply click on this following option, that is make external, and choose the in production option and simply click on confirm. So now our app has been pushed to the in production status, and now just simply click on credentials, and under this credentials, under the OAuth 2.0 client IDs, in order to get this following details, this details, client ID and client secret, just simply click on this pencil like icon, and here you will get the client ID and the client secret. So just simply click select this and then paste it here, and also the client secret. And now just click on save settings. So once you have done that, under this authorization, click on this allow plugin to send emails using your Google account. So as you click on this, you will be asked to choose a Gmail account. So select the Gmail account that you use to create the app on the Cloud Console, and then the wpmail.smtp.com will ask for some access, and just simply click on allow. And if you have successfully configured the SMTP mail, you will get this following message that you have successfully linked the current site with your Google API project. Now you can start sending emails through Gmail. So in order to test it, we can do an email test, perform an email test. So just if we click on this send email, it will show us this. The test email might have been sent, but its deliverability should be improved. So now in order to check if our SMTP server is set up successfully and we are able to receive email notifications through Gmail, and here if we check our Gmail, we'll receive this test mail. So our SMTP server has been successfully set up here, and we are good to go to receive email notifications through the Multicollab plugin. So now here in the post here, as we add a comment, so I will select this text and then mention a user. So this is the user here. I'll mention him and then simply add some comment. And just simply click on comment and then click on save draft. So as we have not enabled this following setting, currently the super admin of the site will not receive the mail, but the user that we have mentioned will surely receive a mail. So if we check the inbox of the user, so here we can see then this following user, that is the Jack user, has received an email, and here we can see the email template. The email has been received from the following user, that this following user has mentioned you in a comment in the following page, and this is the comment here, and this is the message, that the comment that we have typed. So this is how we receive the email notifications from Multicollab plugin. And now as I click on this following setting, so now once this you get this message that setting saved, so now the super admin of the site will receive email notifications for every comments and suggestions made here. So now let's check that. So once you have enabled this setting, simply reload the post or the page, and now as I add a new comment, so as I click on this comment and as I click on save draft, now we have added a new comment. So the super admin must receive an email for this comment made here. So as you can see, this is the super admin account, and the super admin has received the following mail. Also, if we add a comment, if we add a suggestion, so if we add a suggestion here, and as we click on save draft and again check the super admin mail, and again we can see new comment on suggestion. So this is how you can configure an SMTP setup in order to receive email notifications in the Multicollab plugin. So thanks for watching the video.